All right, hello boys and girls. We are doing PE 12:7 through 12:9. So this is day one, and we're doing 3 activities, and they're all come together to be what we call sock fun today. All right. The unit is throwing, and the standards are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The learning target is to turn camera on and participate, okay? And the higher order thinking question is, which activity did you like best and why? All right, so we're going to get right into the activities here. Watch me as I demonstrate each activity. So I'm going to demonstrate each activity, and then I'm going to have you stop the video and do the activity yourself. Then I'll show you the second activity, and we'll keep going like that, okay? So the first activity is throw and catch the sock ball in different ways, okay? So I'm going to make myself big so you can see me, and here we go. So you're going to have a sock ball, right? And it just means two socks rolled up together like this, okay? And then I'm going to scoot back a little bit so you can see me. I'm just throwing the ball and catching it any way I want, okay? So you can start off easy, just throwing it up like this. You could switch to your right hand. You could switch to your left hand. Now, what else can you do? Maybe I'll throw it under my leg and catch it, okay? Maybe I'll throw it from back here. I didn't catch it, so that's one I need to work on, okay? So try and think of different ways that you can do it, all right? So what I want you to do is go ahead and stop the video and see how many different ways you can throw and catch the sock ball for, I'd say, about, I think we'll do this one about 5 minutes, okay? So see what you guys can come up with for the next 5 minutes, and then after 5 minutes, start the video again, okay? All right, I'm assuming you stopped the video, you played the throwing and catching the sock ball in different ways for 5 minutes, and now I'm going to show you and demonstrate activity number 2, okay? We're going to do this one a little longer, okay, because it's a little more fun and a little more of a game, okay? So it's called sock ball laundry basket flip and catch, okay? So for this one, let me make myself big again. For this one, you're going to have your same sock ball, but you're going to have a laundry basket, and you're going to put the sock ball on the laundry basket like this, and then I'm going to step back so you can see how we play, okay? So to play this one, I've got the laundry basket, I've got the sock on top, then I'm going to push it up in the air, flip my laundry basket, and try to catch the sock ball in the laundry basket, okay? So I did that, so I've got 1 point. So I flip it back over like this, put the sock ball on top, okay? Now I'm going to push it up, I turned the laundry basket over and I caught it inside, so now I have 2 points, okay? If you don't catch it, then of course you don't get a point, all right? So try that game. Let's play this one a little longer. So let's play this one for about 10 minutes, okay? So stop the video, play this game for about 10 minutes, and then start the video again. All right, I'm assuming you played laundry basket flip for 10 minutes, so now we're going to do activity number 3. All right, which is called Make It, Take It. All right, so for Make It, Take It, you're going to have, I just walked around the house. Let me make myself big so you can see me. I just walked around the house and I just found a bunch of stuff, okay? I've got a marker, some tape, a sticky note, a mask, a swimming mask is what it is, a lock, some other tape. So it's just things that you find around the house that you're going to stand behind, and you're going to try to shoot the sock ball into the basket, okay? And every time I make it, I get to put one of these items in the laundry basket, and that means that I get a point, okay? So of course, like every game, this is going to make a lot more sense when I show you. So I'm going to step back, and I'm going to just make a circle. And of course, you can put them wherever you want. But I think a circle makes the most sense. So I'm going to stand behind the sticky notes at some point. I'm going to stand behind this little top. I'm going to stand behind my tape. I'm going to stand behind my mask. I'm going to stand behind my marker, my lock, and my other tape, okay? So every time I make a shot into the laundry basket behind one of these items, I get to pick it up. That's why it's called make it, take it. I make it, I get to take it. And then I'm going to put it in the basket, okay? So it goes like this. I'm going to shoot behind this tape. Boom, it went in. So I get to put the tape in. Of course, you can get further away with your stuff. Here I go shoot. Oh, no, I didn't hit it. So I have to try again. I don't get to take it. I get behind the sticky notes. Boom, goes in. Now I have 2 items in my basket, which is 2 points. Shoot, it's in. I put the top in. Shoot, it goes in. I put the tape in. Shoot behind the mask. Oh, I missed. Let's try again. Shoot behind the mask. Boom! I get to put the mask in. Shoot behind the marker. Yep, marker goes in. Shoot behind the lock. Boom! I get to put the lock in. Okay? And then you would just take, so now if I think that was like 8 items, I have 8 points. Okay? And then I would just put all those items out on the floor again and play again. So let's play this game, I think about 15 minutes. Okay? And then we will do our closing meeting. Okay? So go ahead and stop the recording, stop my video, and play for 15 minutes the game I just showed you. All right, good job. I'm assuming that you did that. Okay, so how many points did you get? Okay, good job. So now we're going to go ahead and close up and have our closing meeting. All right, answer our higher order thinking question. Which activity did you like the best and why? So this is a question you're going to talk to Coach Arnold about, or if you're with your parent then and Coach Arnold's busy, then talk to your parent about it, okay? So, or any adult that you're with, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed these activities, and I'll see you next time for Online PE.